Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome aboard the Stevens family.
Good morning, it is Tuesday the 24th of August, so it is day 2 of our second cruise. On the first cruise, day 2 was Marvel Day, but on this 4-day cruise, it isn't Marvel Day today. A Marvel Day is tomorrow on day 3. So I'm just checking the pool, it doesn't actually look as busy today. Normally there's been like big queues, hasn't there? On the last one, but there's not. Oh God, I'm outside at the minute. There's not queues at the minute. I realised that I don't think we finished last night's video as well. I'm getting really bad at finishing it off. We basically watched the Frozen show and went back to the room, and we just all went back to sleep. Matilda had asked Michael to pull down the bunk bed for her, but then after being on it for about 10 minutes, I think she didn't like it. She doesn't have a bunk bed at home, and the rail is only quite small. I think so she was like panicking a bit that she was going to fall or something, so we ended up just pulling the sofa bed down ourselves and put her on that. We are now headed off for breakfast at Cabanas. We're a little bit later this morning because we've had a bit of a chill, so it's 10:05 morning, but Cabanas opens until 10:30, so we've got enough time to get our breakfast and things at Cabanas, and then we're going to see what activities we can do today. So we've had our breakfast. They actually shut the covers on one half of Cabanas at 10:20. So breakfast is till 10:30, but one half of it shut at 20:10. We've had a little nosy in the shop and just tried to get a bit of a plan together. And we've headed down to the cinema. So this is the Buena Vista Theatre. And today they have Captain Mickey and Sailor Donald. So we're going to see Captain Mickey and Donald. Apparently earlier on they did have Pluto and Goofy, but they've now swapped for Donald and Mickey. So we're going to see Donald and Mickey, and then we're going to go and see what else there is that we can do. So it's quite a big theatre this. If you wanted to come and watch like a movie, I think you'd be really comfy in here. The seats look super comfy. It's all like staggered seating. It's a really, really big screen, so I think it'd be lovely.
Welcome! Oh, that's a cool picture. A nice Polaroid of Mickey and his pals, right? How you doing? Pluto, how's Pluto doing, Mickey? Oh, he's doing swell, right? You know, he was hanging out with Goofy earlier after they went for a walk. And you know what? They were really nice. Pluto got a little bit of bacon this morning for breakfast, so he's a really happy puppy. Yeah? What? No, he loves Daisy with all his heart. You know, sometimes she does have expensive taste, but you know what? We do these things for the people we love, right? It's okay, Donald's number 1, so he never has to worry. He will always be number 1.
Had quite a fun morning today, haven't we, Matilda?
Yeah.
So we came back to the room. We went to see the characters. I think that's where we left off, and then we came back to the room, and Matilda wanted to go in the pool. So we got dressed, didn't we, Matilda?
Yeah.
And we walked up to top deck, but the queue for the main pool was probably about half an hour, if not 45 minutes. And Matilda decided she wanted to go on Twist and Spout, so we went and got in the queue for that. Then the kids' pool opened. That had been closed. I think somebody had an accident in it, so that reopened. And Matilda did the greatest Linford Christie impression and sprinted down the stairs to get in the queue for that. But by the time she got there, that was again about 20-30 minutes. So she just went in the splash zone, didn't you? And she spent about half an hour in the splash zone. You really enjoyed it, didn't you?
Yeah.
But then she came running out saying that she was cold. So we've come back to the room. Matilda's got herself all dried and dressed. And we've just ordered some room service, haven't we? And I think we've ordered just about everything possible off the room service menu. So yeah, we seem to be quite indecisive, as you've probably seen with the desserts. So they've said about 20 minutes for the room service. Once that comes, I'll let you know what it's like. Room service has arrived, and you have to excuse the mess. We've had to put stuff everywhere because we ordered that much. There is some for Laura as well. She's just in the shower. So what did we get? So that is the chicken noodle soup, I think, with crackers. And then this one, oh, this is the baked mac and cheese. I'll be happy with that one. People said the baked mac and cheese is the nicest on board, so I'll let you know. This is the steak panini with chips, which are crisps. Anyone who's used to Disney stuff in the past. These are Matilda's chicken tenders. They're not normal Disney chicken tenders, but we'll see how those are. And this is the tomato soup with the croutons. Then over here, what have we got? Oh, that one's wedged off. I'll have another go at that. Yes, please. That is the grilled cheese sandwich with chips. And this one is a little bit more difficult than the others.
Oh, it feels weird.
This is a cheese and crackers, I think. I'm just going to try and get that. Finally got the lid off, and it was the key lime pie. So we've made the start, haven't we, missus? We've both tried the soups, and the tomato soup was nice, but cold. Not cold, just lukewarm. Matilda, you've enjoyed the chicken noodle soup. You said that was the same as Lumiere's, didn't you? The mac and cheese is nice, but again, it was almost cold. The chicken tenders, they're definitely not Disney World chicken tenders, but they've done a job. And then my steak panini was really nice. It was actually a piece of strip loin. I think I would have preferred like a Philadelphia style steak, but it was good. I'm now going to eat the key lime pie. Matilda's going to have some cookies, and we'll catch up after that. Yeah. Just in the adults area, and Captain Mickey on his way up to the bridge has come past to say hello. Captain Mickey is spending a lot of the time in the adults area. I'm impressed that he doesn't just miss out the adults area. He's attracted a lot of kids as well, which has upset a few of the adults, but there you go. It's a Disney cruise after all. From Signals, I've just ordered the Signals Beef Light. It was $17. And going left to right, it's a Corona, a Kronenberg, a Stella and an IPA. I've had all of these before, but it just sounded fun, and it's 20 ounces for $17, so I figured it was probably better value than getting a pint. And we're just waiting on Laura's strawberry daiquiri now.
Good afternoon. So I can't remember where we last caught up now. So did we do the room service?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't say about yours?
Oh, mine was okay, but like the cheese in it was kind of a bit like the American, what do we call it? I call it fake cheese, yeah. You'll probably know what I mean when I say fake cheese. Like that cheese that you get on nachos, that like bright orange coloured fakey cheese. So it wasn't that great, to be honest. It was alright, but it just wasn't amazing. Then we dropped it off in the kids club, and I've never seen the kids club so busy like since the last 3 days. It's so chocker today. We were queuing like right around the corner just to get her even in. And tomorrow morning I booked her in for 9:30 because I thought that Marvel Day would have been today like it was on the last one, but it's not, it's tomorrow. So I asked if I could just move it a bit later so we could do some of the Marvel things in the morning, and they said that they have no slots available for the whole day tomorrow unless somebody cancels. So there goes my idea of getting her in double as well. And the day after, I think we've got her in at 9:30 as well. So I might, even when I go pick her up later, ask again about tomorrow, and I might ask about the day after as well. Feels a lot busier on this 4-day one. I might ask about the day after, and I might even ask if they have something in the afternoon or any other time of the day. Then we could always cancel the morning one if we needed to, if she wasn't up. So we're in the adult only area now. I'm actually liking this.
I wish I brought this up.
The weather is beautiful. It's gone like so. I think it's the best weather we've had so far, isn't it? It's the best day for weather, I'd say.
We're right off the coast.
No. The pool though, the adult pool. Oh, I've just got a wasp landing on my arm. Do I just stay still and leave it there? Oh, it's gone. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Yeah, the adult pool is actually colder than the kids' pool. I was just having a conversation with a lady next to me. She was like, do you think the adult pool's colder than the children's pool? I was like, yeah, way colder. The children's pool's like a nice warm bath. That one's, it's not that it's freezing, it's not. It is warmer than normal. Probably a little bit warmer than that because I managed to get in it without too much hesitation, whereas normally I'm like, oh my god, it's freezing. And when you're in, it's fine. Didn't take too long to get adjusted to it, but it is definitely colder. The spa here, like the whirlpool spa, like the hot tub basically, they don't seem to be only letting one party in. Everybody just seems to kind of be gathering in as they please, which is fine because I don't think it matters too much. It's not next to people on sun lounges and with them at, other times of the day, so I don't think it matters massively.
I would just say it says on it, one person /family.
No, does it? Oh right, never mind then. So they wanted to just not bother with that then. So I've ordered a strawberry daiquiri. And what did you order? A beer flight. Have you talked about your beer flight? Yeah, it was really nice. You enjoyed the first one, haven't you, so far? What was it? Cronenberg? Yeah, that was nice, the Cronenberg. I've had that one to start with. That was really nice. And I've got a strawberry daiquiri. So I've been in the pool, I've done some swimming. I went in the hot tub and I won't say it's hot, which sounds ridiculous, but it's really, really hot. Like, it is really hot. And there's a lot of bubbles. Yeah, did you film Captain Mickey? Yeah, we saw Captain Mickey walking around. That was quite cool because we haven't seen any characters walking around on deck so far, have we? So that was nice to see Mickey walking around. And then that's where we're up to now, aren't we? Yeah, we're going to have a chill here and then we'll go pick up Matilda after.
Just getting ready to head out for dinner. We've just come down from the adults area and Laura said it's the most chilled day that she's had because I came to the room for a sleep. I can never switch off, can I? And I do your head in.
It was really nice. Like, I went in the pool, then I went in the hot tub, then you ordered me a strawberry daiquiri, didn't you, with your beer flight?
Yeah, I had that beer tasting and I just felt really bloated. It was only a few small beers, but yeah.
But I just lay on one. I managed to get a lounger, didn't we, in the end? So busy, but I lay on one of the lounges and read my book, and it was just, I mean, like, if you can see out the window here, it is the most beautiful day we've had so far, I'd say, isn't it?
We're heading north, aren't we now? We're just off the coast of Truro, heading north.
I can't tell you how beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I just lay there in the sun, and I never even do that. That's just...
Not you.
It's not me. I never lie there reading a book, but I think I'm just that, like, exhausted and that...
My book.
Thinking it. I just lay there and read the book and I just didn't even want to come away from it. It was so good. So we picked up Matilda from Kids Club and we actually sent these out for dry cleaning just because when I've washed these before, the reds kind of spill onto the white even with colour catchers, and then you bought some stuff, didn't you, back at home that kind of fixed it.
Kind of.
But I didn't want to wash it again, and I wore this on the first day we got here and I wanted to wear it again because obviously it's Minnie Mouse and it's a nice dress. So we sent it to be dry cleaned. I sent my Aristocat one that I had on last time we went to Animator's Palette, the pink and white stripe one that had all the Aristocats on the bottom. And we sent Matilda's her little dress shop chip dress off as well. And we came back and they're just all hung in the wardrobe all ready for us. Yeah. It was $12 per dress, wasn't it? So an evening dress is $12. I don't know, it probably sounds like a lot, but $12 because these are obviously dress up dresses. They cost like $180. We only paid like $25 for them, but I didn't want to ruin them. I just thought, while we were here, if I can get it professionally cleaned, I'd rather just do that and know that it's nice. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear it again tonight, and I might even get it done again before we leave, just so that I know it's been cleaned
because you won't wear it again till we go to Disney.
I don't tend to wear. Yeah, I'll probably wear it when we go to Disney, hopefully next year. So. And
we might do it while we're in Disney.
Yeah.
But for anyone who is using dry cleaning, it's really simple. There's a bag in your wardrobe. Yeah. You put your clothes into there. There's a slip on the side. You just check on the slip what you want. I think the dress at 12 was the most expensive. You just gotta get the slip. And then you just ring housekeeping to say that you've got it to send. But if we have a garment bag is $12.
A garment bag would be. Oh, a 3-piece suit would be $13.20.
But if you just want it pressing, so like your suit, if you just want it ironing, it's only half the price stated there.
Oh, is it?
So like your dress, if you just wanted the ironing, it would have only been $6.
Yeah, so they have dry cleaning and then they actually just have laundry. Yeah. So like if you want your shirt dry cleaned, it's $5.40. If you just want your shirt laundered, it's $4.50.
Yeah.
you know, like a t-shirt to have it washed is $3 or something. If you've got like a really bad stain on it and you wanted it washing, like the laundry here probably, you know, the normal guest laundry probably wouldn't get that out.
Yeah.
But you could send your t-shirt off, you know, and have it washed for $3.
Washed and ironed.
Yeah, so I think that's not bad, because this dress does have sun stains on it, and they actually put this little slip on saying, please note, to ensure the safest handling, we must use our discretion when drying and cleaning, laundering each item. Sorry, I've read that completely wrong. When dry cleaning and laundering each garment, we were unable to remove the stains on this garment without possible damage to the colour or fabric. This has been called to your attention so that you will know that it has not been overlooked. And I didn't even know there was any stains on it, to be fair, but we have found that there's like a little tiny, I actually can't even find, that's how, like, that's from today, that's chocolate.
Yeah, that's what they've managed to find.
Yeah, they've managed to find a stain that I didn't even know was there, and I do agree with them, because the colours of the fabric are hard because they interlink. But imagine if you just got a white shirt and you've got a big red wine stain on it or something, I imagine they'd be able to get that out for you.
Yeah.
So I do think it's worth, you know, I never
$12.
normally use laundry services, but I do think
It's worth it.
possibly worth
And
it, yeah.
we've done our own laundry for the other stuff as well.
Yeah, but we did that yesterday. So if you watch yesterday's video, you'll see that we did do that. So we're going to head to Animator's
Palette
again,
tonight. We've
which
got to
seems
go
really weird
past the
because
shop first, aren't we?
we did like Lumiere's, Animator's Palette, Rapunzel's. Then we went back to Animator's Palette last
Yesterday.
night for like the
Sail Away.
Sail Away welcome menu. And then now we're back at Animator's tonight for our normal dining rotation. And then we're going to go and watch the sunset on Top Deck, because Matilda really wants to watch the sunset, so we've ticked off one of our things we wanted to do. And then we're actually going to come and watch Tangled in the room tonight, because we've already seen Tangled the musical in the theatre, and we just decided that why not just come and like have a chill in the bed and just all watch it together. So we're going to come back to the room and have a chill, and we said we might order some room service and get like some warm cookies and some warm milk, and like get a cup of tea and things, and just like have a chill in the room tonight, because we haven't done that yet. So I'm just trying to like do like different things, because obviously we've done a 3-day, now we're doing the 4-day one. I don't want to miss out on activities, but a lot of the activities obviously are repeated. But I think I'm still glad we did this, because it's given us time to do these extra things that you probably wouldn't do. Like you probably wouldn't sit and watch a musical in your bedroom because you'd want to go and watch it in the theatre. But this way we can have our snacks and we can have a drink and we can be more comfortable. We can put our PJs on.
You were queuing for an hour before the show.
Yeah, like we queued an hour before, then you sat in there 45 minutes before it started, and then, you know, everybody rushes out at the end and everybody rushes to the drink station. Whereas we're just kind of around and we all be settled in our pyjamas, chilling in the bed watching it, which I think is a lot nicer. It's only on once, isn't it?
Yeah.
Per sailing, yeah. So that's the plan for today. So we'll see you in a bit. Thank you for watching these videos. We've got lots of them to come. So please make sure you like and subscribe to keep updated with our cruise vlog. We did 7 nights all together on the Disney Magic UK staycation at sea. So we have got lots of footage from all the restaurants, lots of footage around the ship. I've even done a whole ship tour. So please, as I said, please like and subscribe, and I hope you've enjoyed the video that you've just been watching, and can't wait for you to see the next one.